Have you ever wondered what happens to your body in space? Picture this. You're an astronaut, suspended in a spacecraft, your body embarking on a journey unlike any other. In this vast, enigmatic playground we call space, your body undergoes some intriguing changes, and one of the more amusing transformations is the sudden growth spurt you'd experience. And because the gravitational pull of our planet no longer compresses the discs in your spine, they stretch out, adding a few precious inches to your height. But don't get too attached to your newfound stature, it's only temporary. Upon your return to Earth, you'll revert back to your original height. However, space isn't all fun and games. It can be somewhat mischievous, playing tricks on your muscles and bones. Without the regular physical activity your body enjoys on Earth, your muscles can weaken, and your bones might lose some of their density. As a result, astronauts have to incorporate a rigorous exercise regime into their daily routines to keep their bodies robust and healthy. Space also has a peculiar effect on the fluids in your body. Here on Earth, gravity pulls fluids downward. However, in the zero-gravity environment of space, these fluids can migrate towards the head. This results in a puffy face, a phenomenon astronauts humorously refer to as space face. The altered fluid distribution also causes a stuffy nose, as fluids don't drain as easily in microgravity. Have you considered how your heart functions in space? On Earth, it tirelessly pumps blood up and down, fighting against gravity. In space, with gravity's pull significantly reduced, your heart doesn't have to work as hard and could potentially become a tad space lazy. Fear not, though. Astronauts engage in cardio-intensive exercises to keep their hearts healthy. Space also toys with your sense of time. Imagine witnessing a sunrise and sunset every 90 minutes as you orbit the Earth. That's more than a dozen days in a single Earth day. This can wreak havoc on your body's internal clock, and astronauts often resort to using sleep masks to aid them in getting rest amidst the constant shifts between daylight and darkness. One of the most intriguing changes occurs in your eyesight. The fluid shift we discussed earlier can affect your eyes, causing changes in your vision. It's as if space is conducting its own cosmic eye test. The most significant challenge, however, is the impact on your immune system. Space can weaken it, making astronauts more vulnerable to germs. Hence, maintaining good health in space is of paramount importance, and astronauts adhere to stringent cleanliness protocols. When the time comes to return to Earth after your space adventure, your body will need some time to readjust. It's akin to acclimating to your regular playground after having played in an extraordinary one. Your muscles, bones, and fluids need time to fall back into their usual rhythm. Despite these challenges, humans continue to explore ways to adapt and undertake long space journeys, like the one to Mars. Scientists diligently study these effects to ensure the health and safety of astronauts. So, while space can be a tricky playmate for the human body, it's also a fascinating realm for discovery and exploration. The cosmic adventure continues, and we're just getting started.